Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna share with you how to install soundbar at home. We bought Samsung Harman Kardon Q60R, so let's see how to install it at home. Let's get started!
So our TV is already installed on this wall, and today I'm going to install my soundbar which I bought yesterday. That is Harman Kardon Q60R, Samsung Harman Kardon Q60R. So I have received this this paper scale which came inside the home theater box. So I've already pasted this on the wall wherein I want to install the soundbar. So the important thing which you need to keep in your mind while installing is this, that you need to take the center of the TV. So this is the center of the TV. So I have you have to place this mark which says center line aligned with the center of the TV. So I have pasted this on the wall, keeping in mind that center line. And also you need to take care that this is in the straight line with the TV, corresponding to the TV. It should be in the straight line. So in order to do that, I have a small leveler which I have used to do that. This is the liquid leveler which is available in the market. So I have a small one, but in the market you get big ones also. So keeping using this, I have installed this paper scale in a straight line. See, as you can see, this is straight. So I have this Bosch drill bit set which I am going to use today. So for this home theater installation, I need the number 6 bit which I have already installed in the drill machine. So after pasting this paper scale on the wall which came with the home theater, this is the place which I have marked using this scale. A here on the left and A here on the right. Here I have already marked with the pencil. So this is the place, these dots are the place where I am going to make a hole with the drill machine. So these dots are already marked, so the work of the paper scale is done. So I am going to remove it now. So I usually paste this tape on the marking so that while I'm drilling it, the drill bit should not slip away. Before starting the drill, what I do is I keep the drill bit here and I hammer it a little and make it little rough so that I make sure that while drilling, my drill bit should not drift away from this marking. So now the drilling is done, and now I'm going to insert this. This is a plastic plug which you get in every normal hardware shop. So I'm going to insert this in the wall, in this hole. So it has perfectly gone inside, and there's a perfect hole now. So this plastic bit came with the home theater. So now I have to install this in the drill holes which I made. So I'll use this screw, put it inside like this, and now I'm going to put it in this hole. So these are the brackets which came with the home theater. So now I'm going to install this bracket on the soundbar first. So for that I have to reverse this, and these are the holes wherein this is the hole, this one and this one. here I have to install this bracket. Okay, now the brackets I have already installed in the home theater, so now it is tight and secure, looks firm. So now I'll go this and hang onto the wall. So now I'm going to install this HDMI cable which came with the home theater. So I'll connect this HDMI cable to HDMI out ARC here. HDMI, it says HDMI out TV ARC. So I'll connect this HDMI cable to this ARC output, and the other end I am going to connect to the TV ARC output. So like if I play YouTube or Netflix or Prime, anything on the TV, the sound will come through this HDMI cable. But it is very important to connect this cable to HDMI out TV ARC, and TV ARC here on the soundbar and ARC on the TV also. So make sure that you connect both ways to the ARC. And now this is the power socket at the back of the home theater, just below the HDMI. I need to connect this here. Once these connections are done, I'm going to install it on the wall now, wall mount it. Okay, so it is now installed and tightly secured. So this is the wireless subwoofer which comes with the soundbar. So this doesn't need to be connected to the soundbar, it just needs a power connection. So I have connected this to the power, and the setup is done. And it comes with the feature of auto connect. So when you switch on the soundbar and the woofer automatically gets connected to the soundbar wirelessly.
So that's it for today's video. Hope you all like this video. If you have any queries, comment down below. We would love to reply, and give this video a big fat thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and family. Do subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post new video. Till then, bye bye.